Manubhav, Sadar Namaste, respected Honorable Governor of Sikkim, respected Pradhanji and Adhyasthata of Gurukul. It is really an important event that the 5th anniversary of our Gurukul is being inaugurated by Honorable Governor of Sikkim, and I hope that we will hear some good news for the welfare of Gurukul from our chief guest. Further, our Acharya Chaturbhuj passed away and created a great vacuum for the Gurukul. He was indeed a rare scholar and had a full command on the subject. He was very fond of learning. He was very fond of reading. We always found him reading something or the other in an idle time. He taught the student with great love and care, like his own child. Our late Acharya rendered a valuable service to the Gurukul, which we will never forget. Which we will never forget. चला गया गड़बड़ हो गया. I have not been able to participate in the annual function because of the coronavirus, because the old people were not advised to move out of their homes. Of course, we are celebrating our 5th anniversary, but we have not been able to gather the desired number of students, desired number of brahmacharis in the Gurukul, but we will meet this deficiency in the near future. Meet this deficiency in the near future, and you will be glad to know that the adjacent plot to our Gurukul has been purchased by us to enhance our further activities. The Gurukul is really in need of a Acharya. We are trying our best to find a capable and suitable Acharya, and we hope that we will able to get in a short period. Karl Manna is the only Gurukul in Kerala which is imparting a Vedic knowledge and propagating the teachings of Swami Dayanand, and it has enrolled many members from all over Kerala.
आशुतोष दावी तो बोल दो.
Yes, sir. You will be glad to know that an Arya Samaj has also been established in our Gurukul, and good number of members are attending the weekly satsang, and in this satsang the famous book of Swami Dayanand, that is Satyat Prakash, is also discussed during this satsang. Gurukul is an institution which prepares the Vedic scholars, to gain the required knowledge recommended by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. After completing their studies, they go out to spread the knowledge of Vedas and the teaching of Swami Dayanand. And actually Vedas, these Gurukuls are producing, is a factory of producing the scholars, Vedic scholars, which are very much in need in our Arya Samaj.
आशुतोष का भी बोल दो।
Shri our Upacharya Vamdev is managing the activities of this Gurukul very efficiently